Hello everyone, today we are at Symposium on Automation and Robotics exhibition and conference in Pune.
Today we have started the Pune Symposium on Automation and Robotics. I see that there are a lot of visitors who are now coming in this show. Other than the confidence that we have, we also have exhibitors who are displaying their technologies, their solutions. If India needs to compete in the global market with countries like Germany and Japan, where the productivity is very high, Indian labor force needs to adapt the technology into their fold other than skilling to improve that productivity level to compete in the global market. And this kind of platform that we create, like this symposium, is an effort towards that direction.
I am very happy that I was invited here as a chief guest for this wonderful exhibition symposium on automation and robotics, which is actually the key need for this country. And the government of India also is supporting that through Samarth Udyog 2.0 and through various schemes. And our flagship institutes like IITs, etc., are into deep learning, machine learning, AI, etc., etc. It's a great symposium. Very eminent speakers have come here to share their thoughts. I'm sure the MSMEs will be inspired.
Symposium as a guest of honor as well as a keynote speaker, and I talked about artificial intelligence in manufacturing. What is happening is that the domain of automation is now overpowered by AI, and AI is a force which will be changing and transforming every sector. Manufacturing cannot be untouched. So in general, there is a very large impact of AI, both for the small players as well as to medium and large players. And this is something which is really going to be playing bigger role as we go by in the next decade. World is going to change and AI will be the one key change. So today, no industry could work without having a digital footprint and a roadmap. This is not something which is for the future, but this is present, and this is happening now.
FANUC is a factory automation company. We are in India from 1992, whereas FANUC in its establishment is there from 1956 in Japan. We manufacture computerized numeric controllers, industrial robots, and we have robo machines. The industrial robots, we have a very wide range of robots which are used in various applications today, starting from arc welding, painting, handling, and you can name it, and we are there in those kind of applications. We have robo machine, which is our third vertical, which is into, we have a vertical machining center, a die-cut EDM, and a plastic injection molding machine, all electric. FANUC was a pioneer in manufacturing all electric injection molding machines. We are here in this symposium to primarily show how important automation is. We wanted to spread this word of automation so that every industry in India can kind of incorporate this automation into their manufacturing activities.
Hi, we are from IGUS. Special plastic parts or polymer compounded parts for all functional applications, different kind of movement applications. Our main two product lines, which all of you all know, is energy chains, which are used for dynamic application for cable management. So all automation companies here have our components fixed along with the chain flex cables, which are specially designed for moving applications. Then we have also linear guides, and with those linear guides now we do also low-cost automation projects where you can see for linear movement all with a completely polymer cobot that we manufacture. So this symposium for automation and robotics, we had a very good keynote introduction and we all look forward how AI and automation for our industry, how it is going to help. And especially everybody has a strong focus on SME and how SME can be helped with automation and all the AI tools that is getting developed. So we look forward to a good result from this symposium for automation and robotics.
Acrobis is a manufacturer of direct drive technology. Our core products are linear motors, direct drive torque motors, and voice coil motors. Along with that, we manufacture high precision stages. We serve a wide array of industries. The core USP of our products is that we manufacture very high precision components which go down up to the nanometer level. We also have many patents in our name, due to which we are able to offer very high force and torque densities in a very small form factor. We are proud to say that we are participating in the Symposium on Automation and Robotics conducted by the IMTMA in Pune, and we are very excited to exhibit our latest technologies in this symposium.
This edition is the 8th in its series, and it's happening in Pune for the 3rd time consecutively. And we are quite excited with the level of response that has come for this event. We have more than 225 delegates who have registered at this show, and there is a small expo which has been attached to this event. The conference will have almost 25 sessions comprising of panel discussions, more than 30 speakers from eminent industries from automation, robotics, across the industries like aerospace and defense, automobiles, auto components. They're all here. We had a fantastic panel discussions.